Naples Boutique Florida is presented as a local, Florida-based fashion boutique. But the real question is whether it's actually a genuine local store or just branded to look like one. Now, the idea behind this isn't unusual. Many online stores use location-based names to appear more trustworthy or boutique style, even if they're not truly local businesses. However, here's the key point. This type of store often follows a very specific pattern. What it actually does well: clean, boutique-style branding. The site looks like a small, curated fashion brand, which builds initial trust. Trendy product selection. Items match current styles you'd expect from a modern boutique. Where it gets questionable: local branding without proof. There's often no verifiable physical store or real presence in Naples, which is a major red flag for a local boutique. Lack of business transparency. No clear company registration. Limited contact details at an confirmed storefront. Real local boutiques usually have a visible footprint. Generic product sourcing. Images and styles often match mass-produced clothing seen on multiple websites. So, is it actually local? Short answer: likely no. There's no strong evidence it operates as a real, physical boutique in Naples. It appears more like an online store using a local name for branding. Bottom line: Naples Boutique Florida is not clearly a scam, but it's very likely not a true local boutique either. It looks like a boutique, but doesn't show real local presence and fits common dropshipping patterns. If you're expecting a genuine Florida boutique experience, this probably isn't it. Treat it as a generic online fashion store with higher risk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.